Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. This one is the Denali Ultimate Package, which includes the 6.2 liter V8 and a bunch of other nice features to have. Virtual rear view mirror, all that fun stuff. 69070 is the total MSRP of this truck. Another feature that people don't know: kickable running boards. And yes, I'll do it again, I don't like doing this. You can in fact ride them, because I know someone in the comments is going to be like, will it let you? Yeah, of course it will. Pop it over into sport. Got like 16 backup cameras. So, the Denali is just, it's just the pinnacle of luxury trucks. It was the original luxury truck, and in my mind, it's still one of, if not the best. And it's basically the go-to luxury pickup truck. Want something that, you know, awesome daily driver, but you need to work on at the field, you know, stuff like that. Denali is for you. Of course, with competitors from Ford and Ram, they've had to step up their game a little bit, and with the refresh that occurred, with the refresh that occurred in 2019, they stepped up their game, adding the virtual rear view mirror and a bunch of nice features, adding a new infotainment system. It's just absolutely amazing. The ride on these trucks is phenomenal. No complaints there at all. Brake pedal feel really good. This also has forward collision alert. I do believe it will stop itself as well. Of course, 6.2 is mated to the 10-speed GM/Ford automatic. I believe Ford and GM partnered up on this transmission, and the result is a very, very good unit. Handling wise, this is on your typical street tire. You can get some Denalis have bigger off-road tires that just almost killed that bird. Some of the Denalis have bigger off-road focused tires, almost like the X31 package. But this one is fitted with your typical road-going tire. I personally would go that way for my truck. However, if you live out in the boondocks, drive a lot of dirt roads, or you live somewhere where snow is a big concern, snow, mud, deep water, stuff like that, off-road tires might be the best option for you. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.